Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. In this video, let's discuss the topic which is with respect to ServiceNow, the next experience UI, and let us know how we can enable that for the user preference wise. Let's get started. First, we will go to system property. And search with the Polaris property. And this is the property which will enable the next experience UI globally. So the property name is glide UI Polaris experience, and we have to make it true and just save this. Once this is saved, either you can reload the browser or log out and log in, which your ServiceNow UI will change to the next experience UI. See, the look and feel is completely different in the next experience UI, and this UI started from the San Diego version, right? So in this, we have an option. If I go to preferences, that if any user doesn't adopt this feature all of a sudden and he wanted to change it to the UI 16, currently we don't have any option, because we just enabled the Polaris view, which is enabled globally, and we don't have any option to set us back user preference wise. For that, we'll see how we can enable it. Let's go to system properties again. In the property, we have to add one more property, that is called this one, glide UI Polaris on off user preference enabled. This will basically enable the next experience UI set to off or on based on the user, so that user can set his, turn off his next experience UI and you can still work with the UI 16 UI only. So let's make this true and save this. And once this is enabled, let's go to preferences now, display. See, you will get an option, turn off the next experience. If I select this, my experience will be turned off and go back to the UI 16. And this is only for me, myself. And it is a user based. Globally, it will not affect any other users. And if I want that, next experience back, you can go to settings and turn on the next experience. And please post your topics in the comment section. We will pick any interesting topic and make a video upon that, and check out my description page for the entire property details and knowledge article details available within the ServiceNow. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support for more videos. Thank you all.